Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to build your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How can you save more money in your marketing? We all know that I am a fan of 3 main areas: customer attraction, customer acquisition, and customer retention. You will hear that throughout because those are the 3 main components that you're going to need to make sure that you get your business to 6 figures and beyond. Without having all 3 of those and becoming a master at all 3, it is nearly impossible to be able to do that. And you get to learn so much in all 3 of those areas. So if you ever wondered how someone can go from one business to another, it's because they learned the strategy behind the concept. They understand the strategy of attracting customers, how to acquire them, and how to retain them. So even though the industries may change, the basic concept stays the same. And that's what you need to remember. So one of the things I'm going to talk about today is how to make your marketing dollars go so much further. So one of the things you can do is manage your own website. We build websites at our actual academy, but I always make sure we show you how to do everything you're on your own. In other words, we build them, but then we do a tutorial for you to teach you how to know what to change, how to implement, how to change your text, your photos, everything within your website you learn on your own. So when you manage it, you're not paying that small monthly fee every month for very few changes that you're doing on your website. Number 2, be in charge of your own social media. I understand we're all so very busy, but not too busy to save when it comes to marketing dollars. So make sure that when all possible, you have some type of means to schedule your posts, you create them and manage them. That's going to save you a lot of money. The third thing you can do is really target your research when it comes to your ROI. What's working, what's not. Get rid of what's not working and bring in more of what's working. It's just that simple. If you see that doing blogs brings in a lot of traffic, then by all means, keep doing the blogs and look at what works. What subjects are people really fired about, and do more of that. Get rid of what doesn't, keep what does. Also, one of my favorite things I talk about is differentiators. What differentiates you from all the others? Make sure that that is in your marketing. You will save so much when you can get straight to the point on why I should choose you. I always say it comes down to who are you, what are you selling, and why should I buy it from you? This is what you should be answering whether you're doing cold calls or if it's in your marketing material. Who are you? What are you selling? And why should I buy it from you? These are the 3 things you should be able to answer like that on a regular basis. And it should be in a theme for your marketing as well as your website or any of your brands. That is so important. If you'd like to know so much more and learn it from me, then make sure you click my link below. That way you can subscribe to and register for the masterclass on how to get 10 times more cleaning customers in what? 30 days. That's right. How to get 10 times more cleaning customers in 30 days masterclass. And it's around 60 minutes, but I'd like for you to stay for at least 80. 10 extra minutes for our Q&A session that we do right after the presentation. It's live. It's a live event, live, not recorded, because I love the interaction, and I would love for you to click the link below to register. That way, any questions you have, we will make sure that we answer what you need to do to actually build your customer base, cleaning customers that are looking for you, looking to do bids. They're not just gathering quotes. They're ready to sign the contract. That is what this masterclass is all about. I don't do the fluff. I do the actual getting to the money part of it. What do I need to do to implement it right then? So if this sounds like something you'd love to learn from me, and you are so interested in really doing business, getting it to 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you click the link below to register. And like I always say, it really works well on laptop and on desktop. But if you cannot get either one of those two, then make sure you join through your mobile. It's just that the screen is a lot smaller. Bring your pen and pencil because there are going to be some things that you can do right then before the end of the masterclass. It's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to getting customers. We all are in this business to actually make the difference and make the money. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, by all means, make sure you click to register for my How to Get 10 Times More Cleaning Customers in 30 Days Masterclass. And until next time, I want you to celebrate your small wins, hashtag small wins. Make sure, and if you'd love to do that, put them on our in our YouTube comments, and we'll make sure we put that up because we love to celebrate small wins. So hashtag small win, put that in, and we would love to have you with us in our masterclass. And until next time, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.